Hello everyone, welcome to Heal Yourself Rather Than See a Doctor. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己。Chapter 19: The Root Cause of High Cholesterol and Corresponding Treatment. 第19章：高胆固醇的根本原因及对应的治疗。I'm going to talk about 5 lectures for this chapter. Lecture 1: Misunderstanding people have about cholesterol. 讲座1：人们对胆固醇的误会。Lecture 2: Can people with high cholesterol eat egg yolks? 讲座2：高胆固醇的人到底能不能吃鸡蛋黄？ Lecture 3: What is the root cause of the high cholesterol? 讲座3：高胆固醇胆固醇高的根本原因是什么？ Lecture 4: The only way cholesterol is excreted in the body. 讲座4：体内胆固醇排泄的唯一途径。Lecture 5: Causes of cholecystitis and gallstone formation. 讲座5：胆囊炎和胆结石形成的原因。Okay, so now let's talk about lecture 1: Misunderstanding people have about cholesterol. 人们对胆固醇的误会。When it comes to cholesterol, many friends are very disgusted with it and even feel frightened when talking about cholesterol. 提到胆固醇很多朋友很反感它，甚至谈胆固醇色变。Because everyone understands the dangers of cholesterol, elevated cholesterol can lead to hardening of the arteries and serious cardiovascular and cerebral vascular diseases. 因为大家都很明白胆固醇的危害性，胆固醇升高会导致血管硬化，出现严重的心脑血管疾病。However, cholesterol is so important to you that you cannot live without it. 殊不知胆固醇对你重要到一个程度，那就是你根本离不开它。Without cholesterol, you will become neither male or female. Because cholesterol is the raw material for the production of sex hormones, without cholesterol, adrenal cortex hormones cannot be produced. Because cholesterol is also the raw material for its synthesis. 离开胆固醇，你会变得不男不女，因为胆固醇是生产性激素的原料。没有胆固醇，肾上腺皮质激素无法生成，因为胆固醇也是合成它的原料。Every cell in your body has a lot of cholesterol on its membranes, and without cholesterol, problems with the integrity and fluidity of your membranes can occur. 你全身每一个细胞的细胞膜上都有大量的胆固醇。没有胆固醇你的细胞膜完整性和流动性都会出现问题。Cholesterol is also the raw material for the synthesis of bile acids. Bile acids are the main components in bile. The function of bile to emulsify fat or emulsify fat is actually the function of bile acids in bile. It is bile acids that turn the fat we eat into intestines into tiny fat particles to promote fat digestion。胆固醇呀，也是合成胆汁酸的原料。胆汁酸是胆汁里的主要成分。胆汁乳化脂肪的功能呢，其实是胆汁里胆汁酸的作用，是胆汁酸将我们吃进肠道里的脂肪变成极小的脂肪粒，促进脂肪消化。Cholesterol has such an important function. Why do people hate it or fear it? Because elevated cholesterol can lead to hardening of the arteries, further lead to cardiovascular disease and hypertension. 胆固醇呀有这么重要的功能，为什么大家会讨厌它、害怕它呢？因为胆固醇升高会导致血管硬化，进一步导致血管疾病高血压的发生。Okay, so that's all for this lecture one. See you in lecture two.